matter. What's the stand of the Congress party?
My personal opinion is the government is keeping quiet in spite of the fact the issues raised long back, 1 month back, in the Udupi college. Now in Kundapura, it has happened. The MLA taken a decision that uniform is compulsory. But government says, its circular says that uniform is not compulsory. The matter is pending before the court. It is coming up on 8th of this month. Let it come. But according to me, the opposing by some students, the Muslim girls wearing head scarf, they have been using it since beginning.
The fundamental rights.
It is a fundamental right. So this, the Kesri shawl ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋರು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಏನಂತ saffron shawl. Were they using earlier? Were they wearing saffron shawls whenever they come to college or schools? This is politically motivated. So that is why the government should take a firm stand.
Sir, but still, are you going to calling it a personal opinion, sir? When is the Congress party taking official stance on this?
It is a stand of the Congress party
So
also.
will you send workers there to assist the students, help the students? Will you, ask your Congress workers to go help the students? Because they're not being allowed even now.
Education is a fundamental right. If you prevent them coming to the school, what it indicates? Does it not violation of fundamental right? It amounts to violation. So the girls of a Muslim community, they should not be deprived of getting the education. It's a fundamental right.